So let's check out the BISSELL Little Green Pet Pro Spot Cleaner. So this unit weighs about 13 pounds. We've got a hose on one side and we've got the power cord on this side, and it's easy to just unhook, and it's about 20 feet, so you've got a lot of room there. This comes with a dirty water tank, and in the back we have the clean water tank. It also comes with a couple attachments. This one is more for the plush carpet, a plush carpet. This one here is more of a surface, shorter fiber carpet, as you can see. And this, depending on which unit you get, we've got a little crevice, and I don't know how that would work with a spot cleaner, but there it is. Now, operating this little machine couldn't be any simpler. So you just remove the clean water tank. Here's where you screw off the top, put in your water, put in your mixture of cleaner, and then you replace that. And then you just go around and you scrub whatever spot needs to be cleaned with whichever head that you want to use. And when you're done, you've got the simple dirty water tank. We lift that out, pretend this is full of filthy, disgusting water. And as you pull this all the way back, this lid will come off and you can just dump the water. And then before or after you're done, after use, just be sure to clean this screen. Keep it nice and clean. I always just rinse this, the dirty container off pretty well after I use it too. So we've been using this for a while. We have cats, and I can't tell you how easy and simple this unit is to use. We love it. We think you're going to love it, and thanks for watching.